Hi guys, welcome back to Flea's Playtime. Every week I'll be shooting a new video of me playing with something new. You want to see? Let's play. Today I'll be playing with Kinetic Sand with my brother and sister. This sand lets us create ice cream. Yay!
Yes, it does.
It even smells like ice cream too, but not that good. First, we're gonna make an ice cream sandwich, which is my sister's favorite. Yes, sir. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is get brown. You have to grab this little scoop. Phoenix, you should have it. And if you don't, anyways, then you have to scoop up the brown. Let's scoop. Make sure you have enough that you can fill all of it right here, not every single thing.
Gotta be.
Gotta be the right time. This is so satisfying. Stop saying yay! Okay, ready? 3, 2, what do you mean? And 1. Your mom squeezing it. Squeeze as hard as I think I squeezed enough. Let's see. It looks like a whole waffle. Okay, so now we're done. Now we need to do the same with the white. Now we're going to put the filling in. Let's get the white. I don't want too much. Just get the right temp. Really. This is the right temp. Now let's put it in. You're going to need the right temp. The right temp.
You probably need a little more, right? Fill it up some more. No? Okay.
Then you want to squeeze it about 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I think that was more than 3, but okay. Time to open it. Wow! Let's place it onto the brown, I like the brown, okay. Ready for the other part?
Pop it into
After this, I'm actually going to eat a graham cracker. It just smells bad.
It does not smell bad, y'all.
It does.
Careful, you can
Why
do
you
it.
say y'all?
So, take this like that and pop it into the side.
Okay. Now, let's do the other side. We need a scooper. Scooper. Now we need a brown. About the right temp that you did for your first one. 2. Let's get a little more. That's enough. No. Sorry. We need to spread it around. Yeah, that's enough. Let's get started. Push, 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 push. Shake, 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 shake. Down, 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 down. Okay, that's enough. The final touch. Wait, get it out.
Gray, yours looks like an oatmeal cream pie.
What do you mean?
I'll show you what that looks like.
Done, but it's gonna melt, so yeah, we gotta clean.
Yes, I think you guys didn't use enough next time. I mean, next time you have to use more. That's what I'm saying. That's why Fee's melted.
It's mixed up now.
Gray, you just needed a little more filling.
I need to make this brown. My brother has Kinetic Sand as a destruction site. Crashes. That in for him, bro. want to scoop the sand.
You
Hold
can
on.
put it.
What do you think?
You don't have to pack it down. I don't want to.
I'm gonna get each flavor and each bucket. Oop. Time for red, but even though there's not enough space, we can put it. The red. Know how to add strawberry. Making a movie with every color. That's how you know it's getting empty. I bet I can make it faster. So now let's see. And I think I should get a lot of pink because I don't want my thing to be so. Oh no. This is about to be so cool. I'm not gonna waste all my whites, so because I don't even see the brown. I only see a little brown, but I see so much white and pink. That's all I gotta say. I don't know this movie, but it has to be for my dad, and the ice cream for my mom. I'm totally winning. And now the next thing I have to do, I just add a little bit more pink. Just a little bit. Let's get the sides. Look what I made. La 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 la. Bye. Tell me if you like it. I'm just gonna add this. Let's add some more. Add some green. Add some gray
Muy
sky.
deliciosa.
Not bad. Time to make some more pink, gray.
That's nice.
Wow, time to do white and pink. I think I can make this white again. Or pink, because there's so much pink. Yeah, I think I'm definitely making it pink. Some red, and some everything, and then I'm about to make brown tea. Not brown tea. I was just trying to rhyme. Oh my god, this looks so good. I have to fix the brown. Let's make something more like this. I dropped it, sadly. Let's add a little bit of that into there so we can have enough white. Not brown, 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 brown. Done. Now what else should I make? So the main base is probably gonna be pink. Yeah. I'm gonna flip around. Yeah, the main base is gonna be pink. This is more like plain. And probably a little bit of brown. I love it. Okay, let's do brown. And then I'll get onto the toppings. Let's make some brown waffles.
Yummy.
Since the brown is like, let's see if they have the pink together. Now, if it's not, I'll have to add a little bit more. Like the plate that sketchers, like the plate that we have to. And like, oopsie, sing like me, my Gucci shoes. Like me, my Gucci. Like up my words. I like your sketchers. You like me, my Gucci shoes.
Oh, that's it. Mo your hand? Oh, that's nice.
Looks nice, even though it fell down. Ah! Look at the
Oh, that's a beautiful waffle.
Waffle, 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 waffle. There goes, say the I like your Skechers. You like me, my Gucci shoes. I like your Skechers. You like this. Let me make sure this is the right 10. Very marvelous. She said I have to make 8 waffles. Chocolate waffles.
Chocolate.
Is that how you say it in Spanish? Chocolate. Let's check. It's already filling out. So I think I put too much sand. Too much white.
That looks
I like your Skechers. You like me, my Gucci shoes. Done.
nice.
Time for another one. No. About a little bit of my amount. What did you say? About that amount. I'm about to make the biggest waffle ever. Let's see what it turns out. I think it was big. Wow, would I never see a big waffle? I made them. Ready? These are the foods.
Oh my.
I didn't know that a big waffle can make that big. And now I
Wow,
make a so buff. It's like
I
rocks.
think that's the best one.
Yeah.
This is nice. Tell us about your creation.
Wait, I need to add some syrup. Basically, I made a waffle. I'm making the syrup right now. Oh, look. I also made the ice cream sandwich. I made this ice cream and I made this sundae. Basically, to make the thing, I have to make sure everything is in the right shape so I can put the syrup.
It's waffles.
Wait, let me get the chop. That's a lot of waffles.
Ooh, I'm going to eat them all.
Have fun. Like into making something else. Let's make vanilla ice cream with the best frosting ever.
So,
I told you I made the best. Now what else should I make with all the white? I got an idea to make with all the white.
how much you make them?
Huh?
What you make them? Oh, rainbow waffle.
Something.
Let's see.
I did it.
Did you squish it down?
Done. Look. And I'm gonna add something to this.
Hey, Gray, what did you make me today?
I'm not really done, but here's the best. Basically, we have the little drink, we have the ice cream, we have our ice cream sandwich, and we have our waffle.
Wow.
I think I'm going to make a cupcake.
Beautiful.
Prime's
We'll be back.
Cupcake looks horrible.
Phoenix, what did you make me today?
Now I'm gonna make you a cupcake.
Oh, thank you. You have
Because I'm
waffles.
strawberry first.
And is this a ice cream cone? Is this the ice cream cone with gummy bears?
Yeah.
Nice. You got some chipotle rice. Yeah. Super cute. Prime, what did you make me?
Some chipotle rice and a cupcake.
Oh, nice. Show us the cupcake. Okay. It's confetti
So
flavor.
basically, I made these awesome foods, and I'm gonna destroy them on camera. When did they ask? Basically, we have this pizza, and I'm gonna destroy it satisfying. You guys can barely hear it, but that's how I destroyed this food star time. Next, I have a cupcake. I forgot what it was for a second.
I mixed it
Anyways,
with my head.
I'm gonna smush this one because
Looks ugly.
why not? Yeah. So that's really sad. It didn't look like a cupcake though. Next we have this ice cream, and this one is not my best ice cream, so I'm just gonna. It tasted so good. Now the next one we have is this like waffle. Yeah, you know. And I'm gonna try my best to. Oh, that came off really easily. So basically, the chocolate's like not even sticking to the ground. So then this is our waffle, and yeah, and then we have this ice cream sandwich, and I'm just gonna smush it and put it in the brown. It doesn't look like something. And now we have the best sundae. This is the best ice cream.
Who asked?
If you didn't ask, then why were you listening? It's shining like a diamond.
Disrespectful.
Now I'm just gonna put it like
What are you making, Prime?
slime blind.
Wooden slime.
Okay, I ate it. As you can see, all the sand, we had lots of fun today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked, subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Peace.